Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 15 Beta 9 and it is expected that Apple will release this update tomorrow. I am really hyped up for this update and I know you guys are too. So be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos related to these iOS 15 and more tips and tricks related to iOS 15. And now that you have done that, let's get right in today's video. Quick update, I'm back in my studio, so you can expect more dope videos and iPhone 7, 10R, 11, 12 iOS reviews coming up in your subscription feed if you are subscribed. Getting back to the topic of this video, which is iOS 15 Beta 9, Apple will release this update tomorrow. The day I'm posting this video is 6th of September and Apple will release on 7th of September, which is likely till now because Apple have been following 1 week cycle, and if we will see this, Apple invites will be out tomorrow, and after Apple invites will be out, we will have the iOS 15 Beta 9. But I know, not a lot of people will talk about iOS 15 Beta 9 once Apple will release that Apple event invites, and I am here. Like, don't worry, I will be talking about it. WatchOS 8 Beta 9 will be coming out tomorrow too, so look out for that. And macOS Universal Control will be coming up in the macOS Monterey future beta version. Talking about my experience on the beta 8 till now, the battery is an issue on the beta 8 still for me. Even on my iPhone 12, I'm not really getting a great battery life. Like, compared to the beta 7, the battery life seemed to be a bit worse compared to earlier, but yes, it is not as bad as it was on the beta 6. So I would say that Apple do need to improve the battery in the beta 9, and we can expect the battery improvements in the beta 9. Fingers crossed. Then talking about the new features and changes, I would expect Apple to add new wallpapers in the beta 9, and if not on the beta 9, maybe they will take some time, or they will release it in the RC or something. And if they will not even release it, then I would still expect Apple to release new wallpapers because they do it. Last year also they did it with the iOS 14.1, or it was 14.2, I guess, and we did got new wallpapers. But we have earlier also got new wallpapers in the beta stages and the RC. So you never know. Maybe Apple will release new wallpapers in the beta 9 as soon as it comes, Also, let me know down in comments below. Are you guys excited for the beta 9 release tomorrow? Also, let me know how is your experience till now on the iOS 15 beta 8. For me, it has been pretty much the same as the beta 7, except for the battery life, as I said. The performance seemed to be about the same as the beta 7, but yeah, there is not a lot what is different in the beta 8. So I would not really expect Apple to add a lot and mind-boggling changes in this upcoming update, the beta 9. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If this video was entertaining and if you guys are really hyped up for the upcoming Apple updates, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more, and peace out.